Every morning felt the same. Heavy, slow, and completely drained. No energy to start the day. No motivation to even get out of bed. I thought it was just stress, until someone close noticed. She gave me something simple, something natural. Sunitha's Farmart beetroot powder, packed with natural goodness. From the very first drink, I could feel the difference.
My energy came back. I felt fresh, active, and alive again.
Start your day the healthy way with Sunitha's Farmart beetroot powder.